Rapunzel, Merida, and the Tapestry of Stars. In the highlands of DunBroch, where ancient magic whispered through the stone walls of the castle, Princess Merida welcomed her dear friend Rapunzel for the kingdom's annual stargazing festival. The castle buzzed with excitement as craftsmen hung lanterns and decorated the great hall with shimmering ribbons that caught the light like falling stars. While exploring the castle's winding corridors, Rapunzel's curious nature led them to discover a dusty attic filled with forgotten treasures. There, beneath years of memories, lay an extraordinary tapestry that seemed to capture the very essence of the night sky within its threads. As Rapunzel's delicate fingers traced the intricate patterns, her golden hair began to glow, revealing ancient runes that had been hidden in the fabric for centuries. That evening, as the festival began, and the kingdom gathered to watch the stars dance across the sky, Merida noticed something amiss. The great bear constellation, guardian of her homeland, was fading from view. One by one, other stars began to vanish, leaving dark patches in the once brilliant night sky. The crowd murmured with worry as their ancient stellar protectors disappeared before their eyes. Rapunzel and Merida knew they had to act quickly. With the discovered runes as their guide, they ventured into the enchanted forest that bordered the kingdom. Rapunzel's glowing hair illuminated their path through the darkness, while Merida's bow remained ready to protect them from the shadow creatures that lurked between the ancient trees. Deep within the forest, where the shadows grew thickest, they encountered an enormous celestial bear, its form barely visible as it struggled against the creeping darkness. The bear, speaking in a voice that echoed like distant thunder, revealed itself as the guardian of the stars. It told them of an ancient balance disturbed, and how only threads of pure light could mend the tapestry and restore the constellations to the sky. Understanding dawned in Rapunzel's eyes as she looked at her glowing hair. With Merida's steadfast support, she began to sing, her hair brightening until it rivaled the missing stars in brilliance. Merida, drawing upon years of experience with needlework, though she'd never admit it to her mother, began to weave Rapunzel's glowing strands through the tapestry with the precision she usually reserved for archery. As they worked together, shadow creatures emerged from the darkness, trying to stop their progress. Merida's arrows, swift and sure, kept the shadows at bay while Rapunzel continued her song, her hair weaving light back into the night sky. With each completed constellation, the forest grew brighter, and the guardian of the stars regained its strength. Finally, as the last thread was woven and the final star secured, a brilliant light burst forth from the tapestry. The shadow creatures retreated, and the night sky above DunBroch blazed with renewed vigor. The great bear constellation shone brighter than ever before, watching over the kingdom once again. Back at the castle, the festival transformed into a celebration of friendship and courage. Rapunzel and Merida watched as their handiwork sparkled overhead, both princesses understanding that their differences had been the key to their success. Rapunzel's creativity and light had illuminated the way, while Merida's bravery and precision had given that light purpose and direction. From that day forward, the tapestry hung proudly in the great hall of Castle DunBroch, a reminder that the greatest magic comes not from ancient spells or glowing hair, but from the trust between true friends. And on clear nights, those who looked carefully could see an extra twinkle in the stars, as if they too were celebrating the unbreakable bond between a princess who painted with sunlight and one who danced with the wind.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.